Learning Threejs as a designer, day 22. Today, I dive deep into performance optimization. Normally, the engine checks every object against every other one to see if they're colliding, but that slowed things down as more objects are added. Instead, I learned about broad phase, which speeds things up by only testing nearby objects for collision. I switched to sub broad phase, and it's a big performance boost. Next, I activated sleep feature. This put objects that aren't moving into sleep mode. So engine doesn't waste resources on them unless they bumped or moved. And as a bonus point, I added sound effect for when objects collide. Just listen to this. And that's how I made my scene smoother and more interactive today. Stick around for day 23.